With condo units located in the upper floors of the Marriott building in downtown Grand Rapids, these are some amazing views of the city that you're going to want to check out. You can literally see for miles. Inside of beautiful Plaza Towers, there are some condo units that face the Grand River and others that face downtown Grand Rapids, all of which provide spectacular views. Another thing that separates this building from others is the rooftop terrace and athletic facilities that provide residents with a true modern feeling. With such a central location, the Plaza Towers front door will literally take you to anywhere downtown. Directly across the street from Plaza Towers is the Bob, the big old building, which features a number of different bars in one building. Located only a block away, the Van Andel Arena. It's a great amenity to have close to home. This arena hosts a number of different concerts throughout the year and is home to the Grand Rapids Griffins and soon to be the Grand Rapids Gold. Living in Plaza Towers leaves you in the heart of it all and gives you the ability to see and do anything in downtown Grand Rapids without having a car. If you like privacy and luxury, this is the spot for you.